Almost there. Just a bit tighter. Integrity is failing here. Significant corrosion, request extraction.
Still getting a hollow ring here.
Copy that.
Checking lower section now.
All right, almost there. Just a bit more. Oh, heavy. Okay, there it is.
Sector 7 Delta requires heavy patching. Advise schedule.
Keep it steady, grinding through this section now. Copy that. Moving to assist. Sample 32, measured.
Copy that, 32.
Verified. Sealing now.
So what are the saying that the bidding?
Okay, that's looking much better. Almost done here. Copy that, keep me updated on the progress. All right, let's see what we've got in here.
That looks pretty solid. Just a bit of rust.
Good, move to the next section. Severe pitting here. Note 7-6 alpha.
Copy that. Proceed.
Verified. All right, that's done. Good job, Charlie. Let's head back up. The rust is pretty bad here. Just need to mark off this section for the repair crew. Oh! Coating applied. Ready for inspection.
right, that's one. Heavy duty. Now, just one more.
Looks solid, good work.
Almost there, keep it steady. Copy that, 5 more minutes.
Hold, down a little, stop. Perfect, take the strain.
All right, just a bit to the left, perfect, hold it. Tighten the first one, secure, on to the next. Bracket is secure, sending verification now.
Andiamo mitt under tornet där också.
Sector 7 confirms seal integrity. Proceeding with the next inspection point.
I've got a hot spot on this weld here. We need to check the temperature.
Sector 3 looks clear on thermal. Checking the lower hole next. No hot spots found yet.
Hull integrity is compromised at section 7. Minor cracking, needs immediate patching. All right, let's see how this looks. Perfect, clean as a whistle. All right, and we are live. Looking good.
Readings are clear, ventilation is optimized and functioning properly. Proceeding to enter the work area now. Oh!